Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I'm doing the July plan with me. I'll start out with some grills and sunglasses and some like a beach theme. Got another sticker that looks like fireworks. Sticker that says Independence Day for the July 4th. One that says road trip because we are going out of town this weekend. I have a little checklist that I'm going to put here on the side so I can make a list of anything we need for that trip. I'd like to go swimming this weekend, so I'm going to put a swimming sticker that says Summer State of Mind. Sticker that says Fireworks Watch Party. And I'm just going to put on a blank spot because we're actually going to see fireworks the week before 4th of July, the weekend before. So, because the day of Independence Day, the place that do fireworks are not that good. So we're going to this other one the weekend before. The one that says good vibes only. And I don't know if that's going to work there. Let's do some story nights. With that being clear, I can still see Tuesday and Wednesday. Sunglasses that I can put on each side of this. Story night down here. Fireworks. Sticker says have a beach day. I don't have any birthdays or major appointments this month, so I'm clear on that. Leave it at that. That's not too bad. I think that's pretty good. I was going one route and one another route. A little mixed mosh, but not too bad, I don't think. Still very simple, very easy for someone that's never done this before. Like I said, I'm a beginner. I'm new at this. I'm not used to doing this at all. But I do like coming in and having these monthlies being done, so that way I like my monthly calendars being done, because it's nice to go back and be able to look at stuff later. Or, you know, I like the way they look, and I try to keep it simple. I don't want something extravagant, but I do like it decorated, and it does make me use it more. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Y'all come back now, you hear?